everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix card not added. Contact your card issuer for more information. So guys, if you are trying to add your debit or credit card to your Apple Pay but you are facing this issue and you are unable to add the card, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all you have to simply open settings on your device and then scroll it below and go to general, then software update, and update your software to the latest version. So guys, after this go back and now you have to simply scroll it below and tap on date and time and set your date and time for your device for one time. After this go back and tap on language and region, tap on region and select your country or region correctly. After this go back and now scroll it below and tap on VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device. After this go back and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then you have to simply go back and now you have to simply scroll it below and you have to simply go to wallet and Apple Pay. And from here you have to simply scroll it below and tap on add card. So guys, simply tap on add debit or credit card and then tap on continue. And from here you can easily add your debit or credit card on your device as well. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.